Hey there guys, I am currently in Nashville for my granddaughter's birthday, and I thought I'd just do a little quick tour of this new hotel that I'm staying at, in case you guys are ever down here in the area. I've been staying at the Hampton, that's just across the street, but ever since kind of COVID ended, their prices have almost doubled. So I am staying here. It's called the Avery Hotel, Nashville. It's in Bellevue, Nashville. I'll put up the address for you, but it's a cute little place. It's $100 a night, even on the weekend, so I thought, what the heck, I would give it a try. It got good reviews, so let me show you around a little. The room is not big, but hey, it's just me. I don't need big. Come in. There's a very basic bathroom. You have a sink. You do actually get some nice eco-botanical conditioners and things. There's a shampoo, lotion, cleansing bar, and a towel removal kit. You got your towels. Looks like yeah, a couple big towels. Shower looks, standard, basic, but it's clean. Everything's really clean. You could really smell when you walked into the lobby that they've been cleaning very carefully. Then there's a little desk area even. We've got some nice plug-ins available, USB, couple plugs, place to sit, do some work if you need to. There's a TV, nice wardrobe over here, basic stuff. Now there is no safe. I don't think that's usually something you only find in Vegas, I think, or maybe in the more upscale hotels, but it does come with a microwave. There is a little coffee maker and a refrigerator for your use, which is awesome because I always have stuff that I want to keep. They do have a included continental breakfast downstairs. I'm not sure what that entails, but I know there'll be coffee and basics, and it's from like 7 to 10, which is great. Not much of a view, but you can see it's Nashville. You got the mountains in the background, all the trees. I love this area. And then the air conditioner, of course, which I imagine it'll be a little loud, but that's okay. I sleep with a fan anyway. Got basic little end tables, and even on the lamps here, you've got some more plugs, and that's on either side. So, I think for a small little, it looks like a small little boutique hotel, it's pretty nice for $100 a night, and you get breakfast with that. You have a microwave and a refrigerator. If you just need a place to crash for a night or two and aren't looking for fancy, I would definitely say go for it. The bed looks comfortable. We'll see how it is. If I have breakfast one of these mornings downstairs, I will video that and let you see what they have. But yeah, not bad. I picked a good place. You never know when you're staying somewhere for the first time what it's going to be like, so I think I did all right. All right, guys, I'll check back in if I have breakfast or have anything else to show you. Thanks a lot. Hit that subscribe button for Alice in Casino Land. I'll be back. Good morning, guys. I'm still at the Avery Hotel in Nashville. Just thought I'd show you breakfast real quick. Here's the hours. There's coffee, basics. You've got juices, some tea, And then it's a very basic continental, but hey, it's free, so it works. Some muffins, cereal milk, a little bit of fruit, and some oatmeal. So I've got my coffee. I'm gonna grab a snack and head back up for now. All right, so I ended up rather abruptly, I guess. Somebody came in and wanted breakfast, and I always feel kind of funny doing these reviews in like non-touristy areas. But in any case, I'll show you what I grabbed my coffee, and then I just grabbed a banana muffin. I don't really usually eat breakfast a lot this early, but they, as you saw, they had some nice things. You were able to go now and grab things yourself again, unlike before where they had to either give you a takeout bag or you know, had prepared for you. Everything is still like individually wrapped in little individual servings, which is great anyway. So, but yeah, so this is, you know, it's a nice hotel. I mean, I kind of showed you around yesterday. It's not huge, but it's got a bathroom, got a TV, microwave, refrigerator, everything you'd need. So great price, great area. If you're in this area, it's right off the interstate. So check it out if you're in the Nashville area and need a place to stay. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't.